Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this easy glam makeup look for winter, and the best part about this look is that I have used almost all drugstore affordable products to get this look, and this look is really easy to create. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. So guys, you shouldn't be forgetting to moisturize your face. I have moisturized my face, and for the foundation I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and just dotting this all over my face and just blend this out with the help of my Store makeup sponge. This is a semi matte foundation which is even good for using it during the winter time, so you can just use it. It's good and it will give you a medium coverage. Now for the concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. It's not a full coverage concealer, it's more of a medium coverage concealer, but it has got a really nice undertone and it works pretty well underneath your eyes, on the bridge of your nose. So if you are searching for a very affordable one, then you can just give this a shot. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just blending this out with the help of a sponge. For setting my face, I am using this Lakme SUNEXPERT compact, and it's also very much affordable, and so I'm just setting my face with it. I don't like the smell of this. It has got a very strong smell. Other than that, it just sets my face quite well. So for the eyes, I'm using the Sivanna colors textured eyeshadow palette, and it's really affordable, and I got it from the instastore Charis Enterprise. I'll be linking down everything. So it's very affordable, guys. At first I'm taking the shade Galvanize, which is more of a bronzy shimmery shade, which I'm just using it all over my lid as a lid color. So the problem about this eyeshadow palette is that it doesn't have any transition color, hence I'm using my sugar bronzer as a transition shade to blend out the eyeshadows in my crease. So you can see. Now I'm taking this shimmery brown shade from the palette, which is called High Spirits, and applying it in the outer corners of my eyes to just create a depth in my eyes. The colors are really soft, guys, and it's really easy to blend. Now I'm taking this shade called Awaken, which is more of a yellow goldeny shade, and I'm just putting it in the inner 1/3 of my eyes. This will just help to create a gradient in my eyes. So you can see the colors are so pigmented. Taking this galvanized shade again, I'm just putting it all over my lower lash line. Taking this shimmery brown from the palette, I'm putting it in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. Taking the black, which is called Exuberant from the palette, I'm just deepening my outer corners to create the smokiness. This is the Sugar Kohl of Honor KAJAL, so I'm just tightlining my upper and lower waterline with it. Just smudging out the edges so that my lower waterline looks a lot more blend out and intense. Taking the kajal again, I'm just putting it as a liner, but you shouldn't be so much precise about that because I'll be just smudging out the liner as well. So I'm just using it in a light-handed way and just smudging out the edges so that it looks more of a smudged out liner. So you can create very easy smoky eyes like this as well, and it's one of my favorite techniques to wear on a regular basis. I just put kajal on my upper and lower waterline and use kajal as a liner and then just smudge it out. Taking the black eyeshadow, guys, I'm just setting the smudged out kajal that I have put on my lid to create more smokiness. For the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, which is my favorite mascara, and it's so affordable, and I think it's one of the best mascaras available in the Indian market, so you just need to try this one. So I'm just adding 2 regular good coats of this mascara on my lashes. Still I need to add false eyelash. I'll be doing it very soon. So for the false eyelash, I'm using this Pack Mink eyelash number M76. Now for contouring my face, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit, which comes with a bronzer, a highlighter and a contouring shade. So I'm taking the contouring shade and just using it in the hollows of my face where I just need to create artificial shadows, putting it on my jawline and also contouring my nose with it. This is a great investment, guys. You just need to try this product as you are getting a bronzer, a contour shade in a single palette. For the blush, I'm using this Nelf HD Pro blush in the shade First Date, which is more of a apricot mixed with pink shade. So I'm just using it on the apples of my face. And taking the highlighter from the same contour kit, I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead and all the other usual areas where I just need to highlight, on my nose, on my cupid's bow and on my chin. I am also highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter and also putting it in the inner corners of my eyes. So this is how my face is looking now. For the lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Burgundy Blush, which is one of my favorite lip shades to try for the winter time. So it's really rich, guys, you can see, and it's very creamy. It will not at all dry out your lips and the shade is aptly suitable for this time of the year. So I'm just applying this lipstick and then blotting this out with the help of a tissue paper, and I will be reapplying this again. This will just help your lip shade last for a very long time. So you can just use this technique. And this shade is suitable for all skin tone, guys. If you want to have a very good winter shade, try this one. Now to set my face, I'm using this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water, which is my favorite setting spray that I use on a regular basis. I'm just spritzing it all over my face, and here comes the finished look. That's all, guys. This is how I created this easy glam look for winter, and if you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. I'll be bringing a lot more winter makeup tutorials very soon, so stay tuned for that. We'll see you soon. Bye. I love you so much.